Hey YouTube, welcome back to Dan Outdoors. Today we've got a quick tip for mummy sleeping bags. So I know there's many people out there that find sleeping in a mummy type sleeping bag very restrictive and they can't get a comfy night's sleep. So I'm going to show you a quick way how you can make it a little bit less restrictive and you still get most of the warmth you'd get as if you were zipped into it anyway. So we're going to pop the liner just over the camper mat like so, and the next step then is open up your sleeping bag and we're going to pop that on. So as you can see, I've hooked the foot box of the sleeping bag over the camping mat, so then when you flick it back over, that stays nicely on the ends and it keeps your feet nice and toasty warm. So we're going to flick it over, I'm going to get in it and we'll see what it looks like. So when you're in the sleeping bag, you know, you've got lots of space to move about. Now you've got your feet down the bottom ends that you can move about, which is a bit more comfy, and when you come up towards the top, because the bag's opened up, you know, you can put your arms out and roll over, sleep on your sides, and just not be restricted. It's just so much nicer sleeping like this than all confined in the mummy. Okay, for the people that's going to worry about insulation, don't go worrying too much. Most of your insulation comes from your sleeping mat underneath you. If you are worried, just put one of those thermal sheets underneath the sleeping mat, you'll be fine. The sleeping bags need lofts to keep you warm, and if you're lying on it, it's not loft, it's crushed. Other options, you could buy a envelope type sleeping bag. I've got one of those as well. I still open that up and use that as a quilt in the summer months. In the winter months, I sometimes will leave it zipped up as an envelope. Just personal preference there. My mummy only really stays zipped up in extreme cold conditions where, you know, if I didn't, then I'd probably suffer a lot, so we're looking minus figures, but yeah, I don't really go out that often in those. Okay, if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for future updates. If you don't like it, if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget, guys and girls, comment below, what sleeping bags do you use, how do you use them, do you use them as quilts?